Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. In this video, we will look at file classifications and case classifications in Nvivo. Don't worry about the big words. Think of classifications as labels that help us organize information. File classifications describe the files you import into Nvivo. They help you record basic information about each document. For example, type of data such as interview, reflection, or survey, source of data, year or phase of data collection. So instead of just having files, you also know what kind of file it is. Case classifications describes the people, groups, or units in your study. For example, a participant, a school, a class, or organization. Gender, role, and experience level of those cases. Case classifications describe who the data is about. So do beginners need to use this? For beginners, you can skip classifications at the beginning. Focus on importing and coding first. Use classifications later when you want to compare data. Because classifications are helpful when you want to compare teachers or students, compare different groups, or analyze patterns more systematically. There are two ways to create file and case classifications. The first way, we create first and we import the documents. The second way, we go the other way around. We import the documents and we assign the classifications. So let's look at the first way. We create classifications and import the document. So first, we need to create classifications. We go to File Classifications, right-click, New Classification. You can type it out, the name. For example, you want to classify based on the type of data, interview or journal article, or you want to add one from the predefined classifications. I want to add, so I just need to find the suitable classification. I choose interview and journal article. I click OK. So we are done with file classification. So now we create case classification, right click, new classification. I don't want to create my own. I just want to add from the predefined classification, organization and person. Click OK. So we are done with case classifications. So let's say you have two, journal article and for interview. What you need to do now is you need to import the file. So you click import, click files. I select participant 4 and 5. This is an interview data. Click open. I can create a case for each imported file. Add to existing classification, person, organization. Click import. Okay, so now we have participant 4. Let's assign the classification, interview. Participant 5, we assign the classification, it's an interview data. So now we have the classification for both files. Let's try the second way, import and assign the classification. We import the document first. So we click import, we click files, we choose the files, open. You can create new classification by clicking create a case for each imported files, but there are no suggestions here because you haven't created your classification yet. So I untick this. I just click import. So now we have our files and we need to create file classification for these files. Click file classification, new classification, right click, classification, new file classification. You can add from a predefined classification. Let's find interview, click OK, and then next document, click classification, new file classification, add, we find interview, and click OK. So we are done with file classification. So now we need to assign case classification. Right click. We need to create as cases, new classification, person, OK. Click OK. Right click, create as cases. So we assign to person and click OK. So now we have created file classifications, interview, and we have created case classification. That's it. You need to remember the simple steps. The first way is create and import. You create first and you assign classification. The second way is you import the document and you assign the classification. That's all. Bye.